If you've ever wondered how your server is actually performing behind the scenes, this is where CloudRaptor makes it super simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the Monitoring tab in CloudRaptor, where you can track your server's CPU and RAM usage in real time and understand what those numbers actually mean. First, go to your dashboard and click on Servers. Then select the server you want to monitor. From the left sidebar, click on the Monitoring tab. Once you're inside, you'll see live performance graphs showing your server activity. At the top, you'll notice a status badge. This tells you three important things: how your metrics are being collected, either through the CloudRaptor agent or SSH, when the data was last updated, and whether your server is currently active. For the best performance, the CloudRaptor agent is recommended since it provides faster, real-time data. Let's start with CPU usage. Here, you'll see the total CPU usage across all cores, along with how many cores your server has. For example, if your server has 4 cores, the maximum usage can go up to 400%. That's because 100% represents full usage of just one core. You'll also see a graph showing CPU activity over the last 60 minutes. Now here's what to watch for. Short spikes are normal and can happen during deployments or traffic bursts. But if your CPU stays high for a long time, that's a sign your server might need scaling. Next is RAM usage. This section shows how much memory your server is using out of the total available. You'll also see a percentage and a historical graph. If your RAM usage goes above 90%, that's considered high, and if it stays there consistently, your application performance could be affected. In that case, upgrading your server plan is usually the best move. Just make sure your server is active, Docker is running, and the CloudRaptor agent is connected. Otherwise, metrics might not show correctly. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to monitor your server health in real time, spot performance issues early, and make smarter scaling decisions. And that's it. If you found this helpful, check out more CloudRaptor guides, or reach out to support if you get stuck.